Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the animation generation capability in MATLAB and Simulink. Simulink 3D animation connects Simulink models and MATLAB algorithms to Unreal Engine, allowing simulation and visualization of dynamic systems in a photorealistic 3D environment. You can use pre-built scenes of indoor and outdoor environments or import scenes built in Roadrunner. Roadrunner is an interactive editor with a programmatic API for designing detailed 3D scenes to simulate and test automated driving systems. Roadrunner is an interactive editor with a programmatic API for designing detailed 3D scenes to simulate and test automated driving systems. You can customize roadway scenes by adding region-specific and custom road signs and markings. Simulink 3D animation lets you import objects at runtime or edit time, with support for file formats such as MAT, stereolithography or STL, Filmbox or FBX, and Unified Robot Description Format or URDF. You can control vehicles, people, objects, lighting, and weather effects to customize your 3D scenes in simulations. Camera, LiDAR, and other sensor models let you feed sensor data from the 3D environment into your control algorithms or generate synthetic data to design and train AI algorithms. MATLAB and Simulink add-on products are available for additional domain-specific assets and advanced sensor models. You can interactively navigate in the 3D environment using the Simulation 3D Viewer and manually control your dynamic systems using hardware devices. Simulink 3D animation enables lockstep co-simulation with the game engine environment, providing deterministic simulation results. Simulink 3D animation are being widely used in applications such as automotive, aerospace, and robotics and industrial manufacturing, where one could model, simulate, and visualize systems in a 3D environment. In the MATLAB and Simulink environment, one can use pre-built scenes, import scenes built in Roadrunner, or use a custom scene built in the Unreal Editor. Visualize scenes in a photorealistic 3D environment using the Unreal Engine from Epic Games. One can also build, import, and interact with actors at edit time or runtime, including vehicles, objects, pedestrians, lights, and annotations. Simulate actors with object interaction events, including collision detection, using the physics engine in Unreal Engine. A use can also obtain high-fidelity sensor data from the 3D environment, perform closed-loop simulations, or generate synthetic datasets using data from camera, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensor models, or from more advanced models available with Computer Vision Toolbox and Radar Toolbox. MATLAB APIs can also be used to create and modify scenes, actors, objects, and sensors. In the 3D scene, the weather can also customized, including sun position, clouds, snow, rain, and fog intensity. And finally, one can even interact with the 3D environment using interfaces to input hardware, including joysticks, steering wheels, and pedals. Try 3D animation today and take your simulation game to the next level. If you like this video, please like and share this video with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.